Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you how to create an account on starpets.gg. Now, let's start. On your web browser, search for starpets.gg. And once you navigate the website, in the header section, tap the registration button and you have to enter your name. Then your email. And after that, tap continue. You have to type your password. And once you're all done, just tap continue. Now we have to verify the star pets into our email. Just go to your email and tap confirm email. And there you go. Your account is already set up. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.